Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Edge dashboard freezes issue and what could be causing it. Dashboard freezing in the Ford Edge is commonly described as the instrument cluster or digital display becoming unresponsive, gauges or screens locking in place, delayed updates, blank sections appearing, or the display restarting after a delay. Reviewed technical service information and instrument cluster and body control system data indicate that dashboard freezing concerns can occur across multiple Ford Edge model years, depending on cluster design, software calibration, and electrical system stability. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves instrument cluster software behavior. Software glitches, incomplete updates, or calibration inconsistencies can cause the display to stop responding or freeze temporarily during operation. Another confirmed cause relates to electrical power or voltage stability. Fluctuations in system voltage, weak battery condition, or charging system irregularities can interrupt normal dashboard operation and lead to freezing or resets. Wiring or connector integrity is also a documented factor. Loose connectors, poor grounding, or damaged wiring behind the dashboard can disrupt communication between the cluster and control modules. Control module communication behavior is another verified consideration. Interruptions in data exchange between the instrument cluster and other vehicle modules can result in delayed or frozen display information. Display hardware condition is an additional confirmed aspect. Internal faults within the screen or cluster circuitry can cause intermittent freezing or unresponsive behavior. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General solutions referenced in professional service guidance include checking for available software updates, testing battery and charging system condition, inspecting wiring and ground connections, scanning for communication-related fault codes, and evaluating instrument cluster hardware when necessary. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and dashboard system-specific requirements. In conclusion, Ford Edge dashboard freezing issues are typically associated with software irregularities, voltage or power stability issues, wiring or grounding problems, control module communication interruptions, or display hardware faults. The exact cause can vary by vehicle generation, model year, and operating conditions, making proper diagnosis essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.